Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Mobox not connecting to wallet. Mobox is a gamified platform where you can earn rewards through game, NFTs and yield farming. To pay claims, stakes, NFTs or claim rewards, you must connect a crypto wallet. If Mobox fails to connect to your wallet, you won't be able to stake Momos or Mbox tokens, open mystery boxes, participate in farming or events. So first, open any of the web browser on your device, and in the top there's an address bar. Type on mobox.io and enter it. And after you log in into this interface, what you have to do is make sure you've already connected to a wallet. Check your wallet at the top right over here. Over here, you can also log into your wallet. Select any of the wallets over here and make sure you've used a compatible browser. Mobox works best on the Chrome, Brave, or the Edge. Mobile browsers may block wallet scripts. Make sure you've already granted the site permissions as well, and make sure you also have a active internet connection on the bottom here. You need to check on internet connection on the bottom, and over here you can simply turn it off and turn on. You can also turn on your airplane mode and refresh to your Mobox account again. And this is it. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.